Welcome to Braylen AV. Today, we'll discuss 16 millionaire retirement. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Careful planning is necessary to build up a millionaire retirement account. This involves evaluating your present financial status and the amount you can invest throughout your pre-retirement years. This is a beginning point to help you evaluate where you are and any modifications you might need to make to reach where you need to be. Number 1. Create a good retirement plan. The fundamental objective of a good retirement plan is to guarantee that you will have enough money to maintain or increase your standard of living throughout your retirement years. Number 2. The wealthy have calculated their dream retirement. When you consider how you'll spend your days in retirement, what comes to mind? Having a plan for your retirement lifestyle is crucial since Social Security is sometimes insufficient. The key to enjoying your retirement years is to have a strategy in place. Number 3. Save aggressively. No matter your age, start saving as much as you can right away. You'll reach your golden years sooner than you think. To consistently save money, using automated deductions is one of the best methods. You must be certain that you will have enough money to retire and live off of your savings, as well as that your money is secure and earning enough as you age. It is common knowledge that most Americans don't save enough money for their retirement. There are always methods to catch up and save a little bit more, even if you feel like you're falling behind. If necessary, start small. Even little contributions may have a big impact over time. We offer plenty of books on this subject. Your current savings rate determines how long it will take you to reach retirement. Number 4. The rich pay down high-interest loans. No investing plan is as profitable or as risk-free as paying down high-interest debt. Avoid taking on debt with excessive interest. This is due to the fact that you pay more in fees the higher the interest rate. Once it's paid down, you'll have more money to put towards savings. Number 5. Millionaires read books on retirement. Picking up a book that focuses exclusively on this important aspect of financial planning may teach you a lot about retirement planning. Reading will provide you with the roadmap you need to hasten your own path to financial freedom. Number 6. Compound interest. The sooner you start your retirement savings, the better. Investing as soon as possible allows you to take advantage of compound interest and its ability to increase the size of your retirement account. Number 7. Millionaires have a retirement advisor. Before making any decisions on your own, consult with a financial retirement expert. It is advised that you speak with a very reputable advisor about your retirement plans, no matter what they may be. By estimating the amount of discretionary money you would need for retirement, a financial advisor can assist you in making plans. Number 8. Never take an early exit. Any money taken out of your retirement account before you have achieved the federal retirement age is known as an early withdrawal. Taking an early withdrawal from a 401k retirement plan may result in significant financial penalties. Financial advisors frequently suggest against this. Number 9. Plan to retire sooner than you thought. You might believe that being able to retire now rather than working for a few more decades is merely a pipe dream. But that may not be the case. Spend some time thinking about the sort of life you want to lead in your golden years. Then, give your budget a close inspection, and begin making estimates for your retirement needs. Retirement might not be as far off as you anticipated. Number 10. The rich diversify to mitigate risk. Regardless of how well diversified your portfolio is, risk can never be totally avoided. But, by spreading investments over numerous financial sectors, diversification can assist with lowering those risks. Diversification is one of the most crucial elements of achieving long-term financial success. Number 11. Assess your investments. Take a look at your investments. and investigate the many stocks and funds categories you might wish to invest in. But if you intend to retire soon, think about investing in more cautious funds so you can more easily withstand any significant market fluctuations. The moment is right to make investments in your portfolio. Number 12. Make the most of your contributions. Your chances of seeing a value gain in your investments improve with time. You should make the most of your retirement account contributions, whether you expect to take early retirement or not. Number 13. Millionaires focus on assets and passive income. If you make sure you have a steady source of income, you will be able to continue your way of life even if your level of employment changes in the future. You may have a long way to go until retirement, but it's never too early to start planning a strategy that will help you generate money for the rest of your life. Focus on acquiring assets and building networks of passive income. Number 14. Most millionaires have rental properties. Rental property is one of the more common sources of passive income. It increases the likelihood of early retirement, which is another advantage. You can make money while you sleep with little effort on your part. By increasing the number of properties in your investment portfolio, you may achieve your retirement objectives and generate enough income to support your dream lifestyle. Number 15. The wealthy put health first. Most individuals are aware of how important it is to take care of their health, but they frequently claim they just lack the time. Your quality of life will improve as your health improves. In order to reach your main retirement objectives, prioritizing your health and well-being must be a top priority. Number 16. Retiring allows you to do what you want. You may do anything you want, whenever you want, after retirement. You can spend more time with the grandchildren, go fishing, or volunteer for your favorite causes. It's time to assess your current situation and decide whether further savings are necessary. After establishing the amount of retirement income you require, consult a reputable financial advisor, who can help you create a savings and investment strategy that will ensure you meet your goals, as well as personalize your retirement savings. An advisor should be able to assist in making sure all of the crucial elements necessary for a successful retirement are taken into account. Please don't postpone taking the necessary steps to securing your future. Creating a retirement account costs less than you think. Check out our description section below for items that will assist you in achieving your millionaire goals. Here are 2 more videos on this millionaire subject.